Hello everyone. In today's competitive market, gaining a customer is only half the battle. The real challenge is keeping them coming back. Loyal customers not only generate repeat sales but also become brand advocates, spreading positive word of mouth. However, loyalty is built on experiences. A single unresolved complaint can drive a customer away forever. ISO 10001, the international standard for customer satisfaction codes of conduct, provides organizations with structured, ethical, and transparent ways to manage complaints and feedback, transforming potential dissatisfaction into lasting loyalty and retention. Now, understanding ISO 10001. ISO 10001 focuses on customer satisfaction codes of conduct, guiding companies on how to manage expectations, handle complaints, and maintain transparency. Unlike standards that deal with quality or operations, ISO 10001 emphasizes the human side of business, how customers perceive fairness, responsiveness, and reliability. When implemented correctly, organizations don't just solve problems, they demonstrate care, respect, and commitment, which builds trust over time. Building trust through ISO 10001. Trust is the foundation of loyalty. ISO 10001 strengthens trust by ensuring clear complaint channels, prompt acknowledgement, transparent processes, and fair resolutions. Customers know how to raise concerns, receive timely updates, and trust that complaints are handled ethically. For example, a restaurant receives a complaint about slow service. Staff apologize sincerely, explain what went wrong, fix the issue, and follow up. The customer feels respected and is more likely to return. Now, turning complaints into opportunities. ISO 10001 emphasizes that complaints are feedback, not problems. By addressing complaints effectively, organizations can identify recurring issues, improve processes, and demonstrate responsiveness. Customers notice and appreciate when their concerns are taken seriously. Enhancing customer experience. ISO 10001 ensures a positive overall experience. Clear expectations, consistent staff behavior, and professional handling of complaints create memorable experiences. Customers feel valued at every touch point, enhancing loyalty. For example, a customer calls with a billing query. Staff handle it quickly, explain clearly, and thank the customer, creating a lasting positive impression. Continuous improvement for retention. Customer loyalty depends on continuous improvement. ISO 10001 encourages organizations to analyze complaints, detect patterns, and implement proactive changes. Training staff regularly ensures high standards of service and complaint handling. For example, repeated complaints about product packaging lead to improvements. Customers notice the changes, which prevents future complaints and strengthens loyalty. Emotional connection and advocacy. Handling complaints ethically creates an emotional bond with customers. They feel valued and respected, which fosters emotional loyalty, advocacy, and long-term retention. Satisfied customers often share positive experiences, attracting new customers. For example, a customer posts on social media about how a company resolved an issue with care. Others see this and trust the brand even before trying it themselves. Employee engagement and its impact. ISO 10001 also benefits employees. Clear procedures reduce confusion, empower staff, and create a culture where customer satisfaction is prioritized. Engaged employees handle complaints efficiently, leaving both staff and customers satisfied. Now, the common mistakes to avoid. Even with ISO 10001, mistakes can hurt loyalty. Delaying responses, poor documentation, inconsistent handling, and ignoring recurring issues. Avoiding these pitfalls ensures complaints strengthen loyalty rather than erode it. Now, loyalty as a strategic advantage. In conclusion, we can say that ISO 10001 is more than a compliance standard. It is a strategic tool to build and retain loyal customers. Clear ethical complaint handling processes, continuous improvement, and employee training turn complaints into opportunities for trust, satisfaction, and long-term retention. Customers return not just for products or services, but for the experience, fairness, and care they receive. A complaint handled poorly may lose a customer, but one handled well can create a customer for life, giving organizations a competitive edge in today's market. Thanks for watching this detailed session with me, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.